Hey guys, Mike here with Atlas Rim Repair. I know it's been pretty sparse for videos coming out lately on the wheel repair. I've tried, but my phone has been overheating after about 2 minutes of trying to record in the Phoenix summer heat. It's just not enough time to get a repair done. So I've made a few attempts. Usually the phone has died when I'm still sanding the wheel. So it doesn't even get to where I start painting. But anyway, we'll start making some videos on the business of rim repair. This first one will be on the pros of owning your own wheel repair business. So the first pro would be that you do not need a physical location. You don't need a shop, which obviously that's going to save you, depending on where you're at in the country, it's going to save you at least several $1,000s a month. Another benefit of not having to have a shop is that you don't have to have shop hours. So when I'm done working, and in the summertime here in Phoenix, I try to be done before noon every day, I go home. If you have a shop and you have shop hours, you have to stay there until the sign says you're closed, which, you might sit there all afternoon with nothing to do. So that's a definite plus of not having to have a physical location. So along those lines, that gives you much more time freedom. Not having to, I do work 7 days a week, usually. Not every day. There's days I don't have work. But for the most part, I work 7 days a week, but I only go to work and then come home when I'm done. I don't have to sit at a shop for multiple hours with nothing to do. That just doesn't happen. When I'm done, I come home. Another plus is that the startup costs for a wheel repair business are pretty moderate. You do have to have a truck or a large SUV. It has to be large enough to carry a compressor. 11 CFM is probably the minimum you could get by with. And if you go with that small of a compressor, you are going to struggle with grinding sometimes because, especially on a bad wheel, you're going to have to stop and wait for the air pressure to catch up to you. And you don't really want to do that, but you can. It's just going to take you more time to complete each wheel. The bigger the compressor, the more air it provides to the grinder. That's your biggest user of the air pressure, is the grinder. The sander's not too bad, and the paint guns are minimal. You could run that off a little electric pancake compressor if you had to. But no, the grinder is definitely going to use a lot of air. I use it's around a 15 CFM compressor, and really I should have a bigger one than that. Another plus is you can do multiple jobs per day. I've done as many as 9 retail jobs in a day. I do try to batch my jobs into at least the same side of town, if not the same city or area. It just cuts down on your travel time. Is going to be your biggest time waster if you're mobile. So the more you can keep your jobs together, the more jobs you can get done in a day. And it's pretty easy to do. There's more competition now. There's a lot of big companies that have multiple techs. And, when you have a bunch of people working all over town, it's a lot easier. When you get a call that they want the wheel repaired same day, they can get that done, where sometimes I can't do that. So you do lose a few jobs. There's not a lot of people that are just have to have it done same day, but there are some. So you will lose a few jobs. But then again, with those big companies, their tech might have just finished watching his training videos last week, and now he's out fixing rims. So, have to watch for that. It's an easy job or an easy business to run with no employees. I don't have any employees. I did have a helper before. He would do prep work for me. He would grind and sand some of the wheels, and I would come behind and paint and clear coat and do all the finish work. And I would while he was doing that, I would obviously do some wheels start to finish before, and then I would catch up to him and do the finish work on them. But you don't have to have an employee at all. You don't have to have any employees. You can strictly work this business by yourself, no problem. It's also a business you can rely strictly on retail customers. You do not have to have dealership work. And it honestly probably makes your life easier if you don't have dealer work, because with dealers, you pretty much have a set schedule with them. You show up a certain day or days of the week, every week, and it makes it harder to take time off. It makes it harder to schedule your retail work because you never know how many wheels they're going to have for you before you get there. Sometimes you do. Sometimes they'll text you with what they have, or sometimes they'll only get a hold of you when they have work to do. But for the most part, retail work is the easiest way to run this business. You'll make more if you do both. The dealer work is steadier work, but you can build a pretty good retail business without having to do any dealer work. So that pretty much wraps up this video on the pros of owning a wheel repair business. My next video is going to be more about the cons of running a rim repair business. That one's going to be titled "Fixing Rims is the Easy Part," and I should have that one done by this weekend. So if you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.